Welcome, everyone, to the Magical Frequency. Get ready, because on today's episode, we are going to go through a contemplative journey through the profound wisdom of the ages. We're going to delve into the mystical phrase, nature abhors a vacuum, attributed to the ancient philosopher Aristotle. Let us embark on this odyssey through time and thought to understand the deep essence of this concept. In the ancient corridors of wisdom, Aristotle, a luminary of his time, sought to comprehend the fundamental nature of existence. His contemplations echoed through the ages, leaving an indelible mark on the tapestry of human knowledge. Aristotle, in his keen observation of the natural world, speculated that nature abhors a vacuum. What did he mean by this profound statement? He postulated that nature has an innate aversion to emptiness, seeking to fill voids with the richness of existence. Consider the concept of a vacuum, a space devoid of matter, an absence waiting to be filled. Aristotle proposed that such emptiness was contrary to the inherent inclination of nature, which yearns for completeness and balance. Through time, this notion has echoed across various disciplines, from the realms of physics, where vacuums are sought to be filled by the laws of nature, to the philosophical and metaphorical landscapes, where emptiness symbolizes a lack that must be replenished. In the realms of science, the statement finds echoes in the laws of physics, particularly in the principle of air pressure and fluid dynamics. The absence created by a vacuum prompts nature to rush in and occupy that space, maintaining equilibrium. Artists and poets have often drawn inspiration from this concept. They depict the yearning for completeness, the innate desire of the human soul to fill voids within, a reflection of Aristotle's profound insight on the essence of existence. Modern science reflects Aristotle's notion in various ways. In quantum physics, where seemingly empty space teems with potential, to the vacuum of space itself, where particles manifest and dance, echoing the sentiment of nature's aversion to emptiness. Beyond the scientific and metaphysical, this concept echoes in our human connections. The voids we enter in relationships, society, and within ourselves evoke a desire to fill those gaps, seeking unity and completeness. Moreover, in today's world, the concept manifests in environmental ethics, the balance of ecosystems, the utilization of resources, and the necessity to fill the voids left by our actions, all align with Aristotle's timeless wisdom. As we conclude this journey, let us embrace the wisdom of nature abhors a vacuum. Embrace the quest for harmony and balance in our lives. Fill the voids with compassion, knowledge, and understanding. Recognize that the interplay between nature and the human experience is a dance seeking wholeness. This concept is extremely important in so many different ways. We need to open up space in our own lives for higher desires to come in. We always need to choose and walk on the path of choosing our best and highest timeline. What this means is always going with the feeling that would be the best and greatest choice of your highest and best self. Creating space must be the first part of this process, as this allows us to welcome and invite in more desires that were previously blocked by things cluttering our space. Think of a closet. You need to donate, sell, or give away any clothes before you can insert more. It's like this with anything in life. If you are filling that specific area of your life with something that is not making you happy, you must create the void no matter what the risk. Once you create the void, the universe always finds a way to fill that void with something unique and beautiful for your own experience. Thank you for joining us on this contemplative odyssey through the profound musings of Aristotle. Remember, the wisdom of nature abhors a vacuum invites us to cherish the completeness within, seek equilibrium, and resonate with the symphony of existence. May you continue to manifest magic and resonate on your highest frequency. Thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content. Please stay tuned for the bonus affirmation portion of this video. These affirmations will be geared towards creating that openness and letting go to invite new things into our lives. Please enjoy. Every void I encounter is an opportunity to invite growth and wholeness into my life. The universe supports my efforts to create harmony and completeness. Every challenge is an invitation to bring balance and fulfillment into my life. I embrace the voids in my life, knowing there are opportunities to invite new experiences and fulfillment. My actions and intentions align with the natural flow of life, creating equilibrium and abundance. My heart and mind are open to receive the abundance of